Our La Laguna facility is located in Gomez Palacio, Durango, Mexico. This LEED V4 certified facility is currently focused on manufacturing power inductors, which supports our plan to double our global inductor capacity. We plan to establish a campus at the La Laguna facility, bringing together product lines from other Vishay business segments. This campus provides Vishay with a significant manufacturing presence in North America for power inductors and additional product lines. In addition, at this location, sufficient space exists for the construction of an additional manufacturing facility to meet growing demand.